speaks the loudest. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the floating market.
You are the loudest. Good evening, good afternoon pa, Besh. Ganyan talaga siya.
Loco. I like yan.
Yes, third day once more. Thailand. Thailand.
Pero
May challenge din kayo before, 60 seconds challenge.
walang ate sa
Challenge din.
Oh, yeah.
Dito lang siya. Parang branding daw.
Grabe yung
Ganito.
sobrang oo,
Ayan.
challenge.
I'm taking cash. May start ka naman eh.
Ha?
Sisa, we need
I try. Bagong gising ang lola mo, di ba? So, hindi pa gumagana yung mga flexibility, visibility.
Area of responsibility.
Ayun, mga ganun. Pamimigay ko. Namigay pa kayo before?
Last time,
Diba? Huwag na lang, mamaya na lang. Gusto mo ba? Kuha ka lang. I'm so hungry.
We can separate in three lines. Okay? No, we have to separate to the another line. Wait, guys. Or maybe you can sit. Okay. Uh-oh. Don't over here, na. Don't over here. Mamaya na, guys. Okay, yes.
Oh, there's Alexa.
ถ่ายทำไมเนี่ย
Yes, I was. Grabe yung
Dapat TikTok tayo yung soundtrack Himala.
Himala.
Yung intro pa. Narakoy,
Sige, sige ba?
lalakbay sa
Sige ba? Parang pa alam.
memories lang na dalawa tayong Pilipinas doon. Hello, I cannot see you. Ganyan.
Okay.
Wala ha? Ay, oo. Wala ka.